Hello friends, welcome to Amazing Crafts. Today I will make a mini fan with simple DC motor. For that first I have made a big ice cream stick with the help of two ice cream sticks. I have joined these two ice cream sticks with the help of rubber band and sellotape. Now I have taken a DC motor that is having connecting wires. Now I will place it in the middle of the ice cream stick on the top, and then I will put some Fevibond in it. On the DC motor I will put a Fevibond and then I will paste it on the top of the ice cream stick like this. This will be the stand of the fan. Now you can see after putting some time it has stuck. Now I have put in here some sellotape also. I have taken here a battery holder that is connected with a switch, and that has two connecting wires left. Now I will connect this battery holder to the DC motor. For that, first we have to connect this. Now I am taking one wire of the DC motor and the other wire of the connector. Now you have to be careful here because we are dealing with copper wires. I will twist the copper wire a bit like this. I will twist it, and then you will put here some sellotape for better bonding. You can see I have put some sellotape and I am showing it as zoom mode. You will do the same for the other wires also. You can see that I have attached the wires, the two wires like this, and now our fan outer structure is done. Now I will put the 4 batteries in it. Yes, I have put it 4 batteries, and now I will put the switch on. I put the switch on and you can see that the stick is wobbling. I am showing it in a zoom mode. You can see that the rod is wobbling. Now we have to make the blades of the fan. For that I have made a blade that has how to make it I will tell in the next video that I will post afterwards. Now I will put the motor's rod in the hole that I made in the blade. Now I will the wire is stuck, so I will first remove it and then I will turn the switch on. But before that I will put some Fevibond in it and give it some time to stuck. You can see that I have put Fevibond in it, and now I am turning the switch on and you can see that the fan is moving. Our fan is done. But now we have to make a stand. For that I have taken a box and I have made some designs in it, and I have also pinned a small cut in it to fit the fan in it. Now I will turn the switch on and you can see that the fan is moving. I am showing it in another view also, and by this your mini DC motor fan is ready. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to hit the like button, and please subscribe my channel Amazing Crafts. Till the next video, bye bye.